everybody, welcome back to Aroma Hut channel, and I am so glad that you're taking time to be with me today because we are going to make another roller blend for emotions, because essential oils really do serve a great purpose in helping to elevate positive feelings and emotions and minimize those negative feelings. If you have worried thoughts or if your mind is racing, sometimes you just need to bring it down, bring peace to your heart, and try to slow things down. Because when you look around yourself and you look at, I'm okay, I'm in this house, I have food to eat, I don't need to worry at this moment. So let's take a look now at our affirmation before we begin our blend. It says, my heart and mind align, and I bring into being my true desires. I drop into stillness and manifest for the highest good from this quiet place in my heart. My outer world reflects my inner world. My heart is at peace, and I aligned with my dreams. Isn't that nice? I always notice that when things aren't right inside me, I start to race around the house and clean and do a lot of things because I know that inside I feel like a mess and I feel like things are out of order and I need to just act out that energy. Well, this is going to help us to bring that peace and give you that quietness and stillness. Okay, so in this blend, we're going to be using vetiver, lang lang, petitgrain, and wild orange. Now, when I make a blend, I usually want to look at all of the oils that I've chosen to use, and then I divide them up into base note, middle note, and then top note. So in this case, I have two base notes. I have lang lang and vetiver. So I'll probably be just splitting it with those two. If you don't like one of these, or maybe you don't have this, you don't have lang lang, then you could substitute or use 2 drops of the other one. In this case, I'm using petitgrain. Now, petitgrain is part of the orange family. It comes from the leaves, and this one is a great citrusy, but has that little bit of an herbaceous scent to it, and I really love that one. And orange. Now, orange is a favorite, and this is a nice sweet wild orange. So this is really going to brighten it up and give it a nice fragrance. Okay, so we're going to use 1 drop of lang lang. It came out. Yes. All right. And vetiver. Now, vetiver is a thick oil. It's sometimes hard to get out. Yeah, I got it. Petitgrain is our middle note, and I'm going to be using, I think, about 3 drops. Oh, that smells so good. And orange. Orange is our top note. It is the thinnest oil. And I'm using 6 drops. All right, so let's just make sure we like it before we make that huge commitment to it. Man, I needed this a few minutes ago. Oh my gosh. It's like candy, and oh my goodness, this is a good one. This is a keeper. All right. This is Mama Lost Her Mind blend here. I know it's hard at peace. Okay. So go ahead, pour your drops in. I think I used, let's say, 2 base notes, 3 middle notes, and 6 top notes. You can do a little bit more because it is a roll-on. Roll-on is about 200 drops, and you just go ahead and fill it up with the rest of the space, and we'll shake it up. It's really not that much. You're only using, what is that, 6, 9, 10, 11, about 10 to 12 drops. All right, let's check it out and make sure we like it. Yummy, yummy. Boy, you could sell this one on the internet for sure. Problem is they can't smell it. But once they do, oh my goodness, it's addicting. All right, so let's put our label on. Heart at peace. I think it should be peace at heart, or how about just peace of mind. There There you go. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's read about this blend. It says, Lang Lang, the oil of the inner child. It reconnects me with my inner child and the pure, simple ways of heart, encourages play, restores childlike nature and innocence, and assists me in assessing intuition or heart knowing. Wow, that's pretty good. I love this, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.